Lightweight skincare feels nice, but that doesn't mean it works. Many products are designed to absorb quickly. That sensory experience feels elegant and comfortable. But for some dry or sensitive skin, fast absorption can be part of the problem. Lightweight products often don't stay on the skin long enough to meaningfully reduce water loss or reinforce the barrier. So skin feels good for a moment, then tight, irritated, or dry again. Barrier compromised skin usually needs ingredients that move more slowly and stay present long enough to do real work. I break down how to choose oils and textures based on skin needs in my $9 guide linked below.